Get ready to dive into a stock that's been quietly generating passive income for its investors year after year. I'm thrilled to reveal the incredible potential of American States Water. American States Water Company is a publicly traded utility company headquartered in California. With a history dating back to 1929, American States Water has established itself as a leader in providing essential water and related services to customers in both California and other regions. One of the standout features of American States Water is its impressive track record of dividend growth. The company is a member of the elite Dividend Kings Club, having consistently increased its dividend for over half a century. This commitment to rewarding shareholders sets American States Water apart in the investment world. If you're not yet familiar with the prestigious Dividend Kings Club, I highly recommend checking out the video located in the top right corner of your screen. It's a fantastic opportunity to delve deeper into the significance of this elite group. While water is at the core of its operations, American States Water offers a range of services beyond basic water supply. The company's subsidiaries include American States Utility Services, Incorporated, which provides water-related services to military installations, and Golden State Water Company, serving residential, commercial, and industrial customers. Let's rewind to January 1, 2003. On that day, the opening price of the stock was $11.57. In 2003, the dividend per share was $0.884. As a result, the calculated dividend yield for that year was 7.64%. Jumping ahead to 2022, the dividend per share had risen to an impressive $1.525. Now, let's calculate the dividend yield based on the initial purchase price in 2003. With this calculation, the yield comes out to a remarkable 13.18%. This significant yield underscores the long-term benefits of that initial investment made back in 2003. Year after year, you've essentially earned passive income effortlessly. Your role was simply to invest in this stock, and the cash payments flowed into your bank account. What's more, you enjoyed a yearly increase in dividends, making it a truly rewarding journey where your money worked for you. You might be wondering if real estate could have yielded better results due to potential growth. But hold on, let's reevaluate that notion. By the end of 2022, the closing price of the stock had surged to an impressive $92.55. Now, let's crunch the numbers to calculate the yield based on your initial purchase price of $11.57. Yes, you read that right, a staggering 700% yield. This showcases the remarkable potential of this investment and why a dividend-paying stock like this can be an attractive option. Good luck finding real estate deals that offer passive income with yields as substantial and achieved as effortlessly as this. Shareholders can expect dividend payments on a quarterly basis. These payments are made in the months of February, May, August, and November. This consistent dividend schedule can provide a steady source of passive income for investors. It's important to note that to receive your passive income in the upcoming distribution, make sure you invest before the ex-dividend date. For a more thorough understanding of the dividend payment process, check out the video on the top right side of the screen. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just sharing facts and personal opinions. Every choice you make is your own. But if you ask me, water will still be a necessary utility in the next 20 years. I can even take a crazy guess and say in the next 100 years. Who knows if this is the right time to buy this stock? Who knows if they will stay here? There is a lot of competition among companies. That's why you should diversify. For more insights, watch the video on the top right corner. If you're interested in creating a steady monthly flow of passive income, I encourage you to explore the course linked in the description below. This channel also offers a wide range of videos from the course. Simply click on this playlist to access a wealth of valuable content. And if you're eager to expand your knowledge even further, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Until next time.